Hi, this is Kelly with Spotahome Madrid, and today I'm going to show you a really big 9-bedroom apartment on Calle San Bernardino, which is right by the Noviciado Metro, by the San Bernardo Metro also, and very close to Plaza España, right in the center. Okay, so this is the hallway when you come in. This is the front door. So we're going to start down here. So this is bedroom number 1, as you can see. We can come in here and see there's a desk, a nightstand, here's the single bed, we have a shelf, you can see over here is the wardrobe, lots of space. Up there is the TV. Okay, and over here we can see there's a little mini fridge and this balcony. So this is the view from the balcony. Today they're filming something in this restaurant down here. That's kind of cool. So you can get a view, that's the street. Okay, let's move on. Now we're in bedroom number 2. So here's number 2. You can see there's a desk and a chair. This room has 2 balconies, which is kind of special. It's on the corner. Here's the single bed. There's also a chair. We have a chest of drawers, the mini fridge. We'll take a look from this angle. You can see there's the heating unit as well as the TV. All of the rooms in this apartment have mini fridges and televisions. Let's take a look out the window. This also has a beautiful balcony. Get a look at those streets. Okay. On to room number 3. So here's room number 3. Alright, we can see this room has a chair. It has a big desk, the mini fridge. Here's the wardrobe with lots of room to hang things. There's some drawers down at the bottom. This has another spot with some shelves. Okay, we can see the single bed as well as some shelves up there. There's a mirror and another beautiful balcony. Very similar view from this balcony. Okay. You can see the TV also. Okay. Now we're going to see room number 4. So in room number 4 you also have the single bed. We have a big wardrobe, the chest of drawers, a full-length mirror. Over here this one has a bigger fridge. All of the rooms have mini fridges. This one's a little bit bigger. It's about half a normal fridge. Here's a desk and a chair, the shelves, the TV's up here. We can see, here's a heating unit, there's the door, and this is the view on the balcony. Okay. We continue. Here's room number 5. Alright, so number 5 has a single bed. It has a big wardrobe, a nightstand. We have a desk and a chair. Here's the heating unit. The TV up here. We'll take a look from this way. And we'll go right out onto the balcony. This apartment's really great because most of the rooms have these beautiful balconies and nice views of the streets. Okay, room number 6. So here's room number 6. Let's take a look at that. Pretty much the same setup. We have a single bed, the desk and the chair. Here's the mini fridge. More storage, another dresser over here. This is the wardrobe. Pretty big, lots of space to store things, suitcases. And the balcony. Okay, we'll take another look from this angle at the room. Okay. We'll go down the hall. And this is the bathroom right here. So you can see there's 2 toilets. Right, here's one. Here's another one. So you can kind of see both of those there. And then here's the bathroom. So this has the shower. You can see there's the shower, the washing machine down here. And here are 2 sinks with a mirror. Okay. This room right here is a storage room. And the room next door, this is for hanging laundry. If it's raining outside, you have these clotheslines, also a drying rack. Okay. Here's kind of like a common area with a table and some chairs. Okay. And now we'll go into bedroom number 9. So this one's a little bit bigger. As you see as we come in, it has this little hallway with a wardrobe right here. And then you come in and can see this one's pretty big, and it has 2 built-in closets. We have a single bed, a nightstand, the heater. And this room has this beautiful fireplace that doesn't function, but I just think this is a nice detail from the original architecture of the building. You can see also the TV and these huge built-in closets. So they're not as deep maybe as the standalone ones, but that's still a lot of space. We'll take a look from this view. Over here's the desk and the chair, some more shelves, and the balcony. All right. Okay, so on we go. All right, this is bedroom number 10. You can tell the numbers don't correspond. In total, there's 9 bedrooms, but they have different numbers. So we can see here's the wardrobe. It's huge. There's 4 doors. All that space. Over here we can see the desk and 2 chairs, the single bed, another green corduroy armchair, kind of fancy. Here's the mini fridge. You can see there's a shelving unit and the TV. So this room also has a window. It doesn't look out on the street. It looks out on this interior patio, which is pretty with all these plants. Quiet also. Okay. Take one more look from this corner and we'll continue. Okay. Here is another bathroom. So you can see there's a shower in the corner. Here's the toilet and the sink. Take a look at that. Okay. Let's see what's left. Aha! Room number 12. Okay, so this is number 12. Take a look at that. The single bed, heating unit. Here's the desk and the chair, the mini fridge, also a television, a big wardrobe. And this also looks out onto another small interior, quiet air shaft. Okay. And last but not least, the kitchen. So here's the kitchen, a big kitchen table, several chairs, Here's the stove, here's a microwave and a toaster oven, the sink, and that's about it. So we're gonna end here. For Spotahome, this was Kelly, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!